In the vast world of agriculture, every fruit carries a special story. And plums, these delicate fruits with their glistening skin and sweet fragrance, embark on a magical adventure from the first days of planting to their enchanting appearance on family tables. The story of plums begins with the earth, a patch of fertile soil, organic fertilizers, and the generous embrace of sunlight provide the priceless conditions needed to nurture a tiny seed into a plum tree capable of bearing sweet fruit for the world. Not only in California, USA, famous for its radiant plum orchards, but also across China, Germany, Chile, and Vietnam, farmers diligently till the soil in early spring, carefully planting each young tree with hope and care. Plum trees do not burst forth overnight. They quietly grow through seasons of heat and cold, absorbing energy from the sun and weaving young branches with the aid of seasonal rains. After 3 to 5 years, on a warm spring day, plum trees across Europe and Asia begin to bloom with pristine white or blushing pink flowers, painting dreamy landscapes in rural villages. After the blossoms fall, young green plums start to form. As time passes, they ripen, transforming from green to red, then deepening into a rich, glossy purple, shimmering like precious gems. Beneath that delicate skin lies a world of natural, robust sweetness, forged by an entire season of heat and sunshine. By late summer, as the orchards release their fragrant aroma, farmers bustle into the fields for the harvest. In some places, plums are picked by hand, experienced hands gently lifting each fruit and placing it into soft-lined baskets. On large farms, mechanical harvesters play the leading role. Flexible arms gently shake the plum trees, allowing the ripe fruits to cascade into catching frames below. Modern technology enables the harvest of tens of thousands of pounds of plums per hour. yet the artistry of experienced farmers still shines, carefully selecting fruits at the peak of natural ripeness. Freshly harvested plums are swiftly transported to processing facilities. There, they are washed with high-pressure water, sorted based on size, color, and ripeness. For plums destined for drying, the fruits are laid out in low-temperature ovens for 18-24 hours, slowly preserving their natural soft sweetness. Once dried and pitted, prunes are meticulously packaged, ready to be shared with family tables across the globe. From the Californian sun to the hills of China, from the artisanal villages of Europe to the hardworking farmers of Vietnam, plums are more than just food. They are the culmination of love, patience, and a tribute to the eternal values of Mother Earth. Every time you savor a sweet bite of plum, remember this miraculous journey, an adventure from the heart of the earth to the heart of those who cherish it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring journeys from farm to table.